So here's the deal, ladies and gentlemen. Years ago, I remember I walked into a fancy bank and I was hoping to get a loan to fix my car. I really thought that my account history would be enough to secure it, but no, 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 no. I walked out with a rejection and frustration. Then I remember someone said, "Why not try a credit union?" I did, and it changed everything. Are you curious how? Well, stick around as I break down the pros and cons of banks versus credit unions so that you can make the best choice for your money. So buckle up, my credit warriors, and let's go. So first up, let's cover the pros and cons of banking. Let's start with the pros. First of all, obviously, their convenience. They're everywhere. Banks have ATMs and branches almost everywhere. If you need cash, you'll probably find an ATM around the corner. Next up, advanced technology. Their apps and their online tools, well, they're really top notch. And that makes managing your money very easy, and you can do it all from your phone. Third up, diverse services. Banks offer everything from checking accounts to complex investments. They're really like a one-stop shop for all of your financial needs. That sounds great, but let's move on to the cons of using banks. First of all, higher fees. Their monthly maintenance fees, their overdraft charges, and their ATM fees. Ooh, banks can absolutely nickel and dime you to death. They're profit-driven, that's number two. Banks are for-profit businesses, and that means that their primary goal is to keep their shareholders happy, not you. Third up, less personalized service. So as you can imagine, with millions of customers, you can feel just like another number. You need help? Good luck getting that personal touch. Okay, so now we've covered the banks, it's on to the credit unions, starting with the pros. Number one, lower fees and better rates. Because credit unions are non-profit, they pass their savings back to their members. Think lower loan rates and fewer fees, which is great. Number two, they are member-focused. When you join a credit union, you're not just a customer, you're a member and a part owner, and that means they put you first. Third up, community connection. Credit unions often focus on helping their local communities, so your money stays local and supports people just like you. Fourth up, flexible lending. If you've got a unique situation, credit unions tend to be more understanding and flexible when it comes to loans. Now on to the cons of using credit unions. Number one, fewer locations. Most credit unions are regional, so you won't find branches or ATMs everywhere, and this can be tricky if you travel often. Number two, limited services. They may not offer the same variety of services or the cutting-edge apps that big banks do. Number three, membership requirements. So to join a credit union, you often have to meet certain criteria like living in a specific area or working for a certain employer. So banks versus credit unions, which one is right for you? Well, here's how to decide. Choose a bank if you value convenience, high-tech tools, and you need a one-stop shop for financial services. Choose a credit union if you're looking for lower fees, better rates, and personalized service, especially if you're trying to rebuild or improve your credit score. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your financial goals and your lifestyle. Now, back to my story. Well, that credit union gave me the car loan I needed with a much, much lower interest rate than what the bank offered. Not only did I fix my car, but I started using them for other financial needs, and personally, I've never looked back. Sometimes going local and personal can make all the difference. So my question is, are you team bank or are you team credit union? Let me know in the comments below if this video helped you figure it all out. What's best for your money? And do me a favor, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's struggling to decide between the two. Let's help people make smarter money moves. Have a great day.